All right, so I've been thinking about this thing called War Chest. So recently I had a buddy of mine, as we all watch different Netflix series and Amazon and whatever, he tells me I need to watch the Game of Thrones. I have not been there yet, I haven't done it. I intend to watch it at some point. But when you think about the Game of Thrones, or you think way back in the day when people were conquering different countries, they would have a war chest. So they would go in and they would take over a country and they would put all the belongings in this chest and they'd have this war chest, so to speak. My question around this whole concept is how does that apply to you and I and my clients? And quite frankly, we have a war chest. I mean, if you've been working for 30 or 40 years, you've been putting into your retirement accounts and you're funding kids' college and things like that, and you've got this war chest that you've kind of created over time. What we do at iWealth is we really help take that war chest and dissect it and make sure that it's in the right compartments, make sure that it's paying you income. I have clients that say all the time, Brad, I don't need to be rich, just don't let me be broke. How do I not run out of money? You know, where should these monies be set? So when you go back to the Game of Thrones theory and you're putting together your war chest and you've been accumulating and accumulating, at some point you got to live off this stuff and it's got to work for you as hard as you work for it. And so when you think about your war chest, if you need any help with it, let us know, but make sure you're getting a second opinion on that so that you have some things set up for down the road. So anyway, that's me in the war chest in Game of Thrones, but I'll let you know how it goes after I watch it. Have a great day.